Hi there, everybody. Today I'm going to use one of my favorite new appliances in my kitchen, the GoWise USA pressure oven with the rotisserie function. And I'm going to use the rotisserie because I'm going to make a top round roast. It says good for 5 to 7 people. That's 3 pounds. 5 to 7 people, or 1.5 of me. I plan on having some nice sandwiches with that, maybe. See how it comes out. And like I said, I'm going to use the rotisserie function. I see it's already tied up, trussed up, whatever you want to call it, but we want to keep it secure. I might tie it some more. Let me open this up and see how it looks out of the package. Alright, this string looks a little flimsy. I'm going to put my stronger cooking twine on here. First, let me insert my spit, my beautiful rotisserie function, which I like a lot. We could be using a much bigger roast, but this is what I have right now. Let's get the forks in there, nice. We don't want it flopping around. Put this end on. You want to center that in your rotisserie, you know that, on your spit. If it's so skinny, try to get your forks into the meat. Center it up nicely. That's about nice and centered. Tighten them up. Little wing nuts here. Oh, you think that string's strong enough? Yeah, we'll leave that on there. Okay? But I'm going to spice it up with some salt and pepper, and I'm also going to use this Lipton onion recipe soup and dip mix, which I like making dip with that. This is a delicious seasoning as well. Let's get my fancy salt and pepper shakers. Get a clean plate. Well, first let me salt and pepper it here. Pepper. Nice. Let me sprinkle my onion soup mix onto here. Look at those nice chunks of onions. Onion flavoring. Do you ever make dip with this? You mix it with sour cream. It's delicious. Now, put this on here. Crushed it up nicely. Hopefully they all stay on there pretty good. Rotisserie. I love rotisserie. You love rotisserie? We got left, we can pinch it up, put it on there, put it in the middle. And I'm going to do the high-low technique. I'm going to start very high heat, which is 480. Put the rotisserie inside. I have my drip pan down below. Put the pointy side over here. And put the grooved side over here. Nice. Oh, see it? It's going to be fun just watching it and smelling it cook, isn't it? Sure is. Okay, like I said, I'm going to use the pressure mode. So I'm going to put myself in pressure mode up here. I'm going to pick roast. And I want 480. I want pressure. I want rotisserie. And that's 45 minutes. I'm only going to go 15 for the high heat start. Then I'm going to lower it to 350 degrees, 15 minutes a pound, so that'll be about 45 minutes. Can you see the action starting in there? Silent. Pressure's going to build up quick. Going to go high, try to brown it on the outside, sear it. Oh boy. All right, I'll let you see it in 15 minutes. You hear the pressure already? Listen. See? Builds up pressure real quick. There's the valve I'm moving up here, look, see? I love this pressure oven from GoWise USA. Wait to see that meat. I expect it to shrink somewhat, but I'm still going to get some good sandwiches out of there. Or if I wanted a meal, I can make some taters on the side, corn, beans, peas, whatever you like. Whatever you like. Be back. There's less than a minute remaining, and it smells so good in here. Maybe you hear that hissing of the pressure. If you watched me use this pressure oven in the past, you know when it gets down to where the time is almost up, the pressure releases by itself. Turn on the light. Can you see? I smell that onion roasting away. Just to be curious, I'm going to take the internal temperature when my 15 minutes is up, which is right now. Make sure your pressure's out. Right, it'll release itself. I'm going to take the internal temperature because when it's done, I want it to be about 130 degrees, so it's medium. Oh, can you smell that? Oh, yes. It's delicious. Let me just get an idea of the internal right now.
70.7 degrees
good.
Fahrenheit.
Let's check another spot.
66.6 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, now we can finish it off low and slow. Isn't it delicious? Okay. Hear how it seals up? Hear that environment? So pressurized, and that's on vent. Okay, let me put it back to seal. Let me go to my menu. I want 350. I'm going to set it for 45 minutes because that's 15 minutes a pound. And then I'm going to check the temperature after that point. Start. Turn on the rotisserie. Don't forget the rotisserie. There you go. See it? Scrumptious. All right, in 45 minutes, I'm going to check it at 350. Yep, 350. See? Gonna be some good sandwiches, ain't it? All right, I'll see you in 45 minutes. Oh boy, the time is up. That time went fast. Make sure there's no pressure in there. Let's open it up. Oh yeah. Let's take that internal temperature. Rare is 125, medium is 130, well is 145. I'm gonna try around 130, see if we're there yet. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Too much. We got 145. Let's see. That spot. All right, well, we know it's done. 150. Okay, went a little long. That's okay. It's going to be delicious and it's still juicy, I see. Got this handy meat taker outer, see, for the rotisserie. I'm going to put it on my cutting board and let it rest for a few minutes. It's done. Wasn't it easy though? Season it, put it in. Look at that baby. You love it? You love it like I do? All right, thank you, GoWise. While this is sitting here resting, I'm going to remove the string. Oh, you know that's hot, don't you? What's wrong with you? You know that's hot. So excited. Forgot. Remove that string or twine or whatever it is. Clean up your oven. Remove the spit. Just remove this right now. Rest. Burnt my finger, didn't I? I sure did. Cover that with foil. Let it rest for 10-15 minutes. Okay. That was great, wasn't it? me get my bread ready. I'm gonna have a sandwich with this. All right, I'm ready. It's been resting for about 15 minutes. Got some nice country white bread here. I know the temperature got a little high for what I was aiming for, but believe me, it's going to be scrumptious. Let's see what it's going to look like. Just go like this. I like it. See it? The seasoning I put on there smells so good. Now you can have this with your mashed potatoes. You can make some au jus with the juice. But me, I'm gonna have a sandwich. You like it? It likes you. My fancy bread here. Now for my roast beef, I just like some mayo, horseradish, maybe mustard once in a while, maybe some hot peppers. Just do this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Are you seeing this? You want a bite? Some horseradish on top. All right? So that's how I like it. Get up there. Sandwich. Now I know this shouldn't burn my mouth right now, should it? So tender and delicious. It's a great breakfast for me. Time is it? 7:30 a.m. And again, you see how easy that was. If you have a pressure oven, if not, check them out. It's gonna make some good leftovers. I'm gonna finish eating this sandwich. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Please subscribe. Talk to you soon.